guys, welcome back to my channel Kate in KTR. So today we are going to make this drawing in KTR A5. So first we are going to make this central line, and after that we are going to make these circles. So in the circles there is a radius given, but in the measurement we are going to take a radius by subtracting 3 or the radius of these circles. So let's start our drawing, and I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos and notifications. I name this part 1, okay, and after that I select XY plane, then sketch, and then I select a center line, make a line at the horizontal axis, and after that I make a circle. Then the radius of this circle is given as 20.9, so we are type here 20.9 minus 3. And after that the distance of this point to this axis is 3.1. Then zoom it out, and after that make one more circle. Make a circle at the horizontal axis. Circle, and the diameter, the radius is 24 minus 3, 21. And in the first circle I select the wrong dimensions, so 20.9 minus 3, 20.9 minus 3. And after that make a line from this point to this point, and then give the distance between both of these center points. Select the center point of both the circles. The distance between both of these is 140. And after that again make a circle, then give the radius. This time the radius is 17.5, 17.8, 17.8 minus 3. After that take a line from this point to this point, and then again make a line from this point up to this, and then give the length of this. The length of this line is 110, and then trim the extra parts. Select this, select this, select this, after that give the distance between both of these circles is 50, and then make a line tangent to through it, then trim the extra parts. After that select these lines and then select the output feature, then exit sketch. After that select this one point, select on plane, then normal to the curve, select this. Okay, after that select this plane one, sketch on it, zoom it out, and then select this point and project it and make it into construction feature. And after that select a circle, make a circle on this point, and the diameter of this circle, the radius of the circle is 3, and then exit sketch. After that select a rip command in the profile, before that hide this circle and then go to the generative shape design, and then select these whole lines, and select here join command, join. Okay, and after that go to the part feature again, part design, and then from this table select sketch 2 and show it, and after that select a rip command in the profile, select this, and in the profile select this, select a rip command in the profile, this, and in the center curve this, preview. Okay, so this is how we make this drawing in a CATIA V5. I hope you like this video, and I hope you know the how to use a rip command and output feature. So thank you for watching, and keep subscribe my channel for more videos and notifications. Thank you.